Dr. Bolajo Kowolobi, and I'm here to announce to you it's knocking on the door, another Leadership Conference 2024. We have leaders, over 100 leaders that I met last year, and the leaders and their impact is still the success story being spread around. For twins and teens within the ages of 4 to 18, you need to bring your loved child to come on board because we'll be having 16 facilitators, hostel that host over 2,000 students, live entertaining artwork. We'll be having expert-led workshop, interactive symposium, informative engagement, hands-on skills will not be left out. Arty, crafty, robotics, coding, and dance academy will be launched. No dull time, 1 week, 16 facilitators at Rosebud School, a field enough to take your loved child to explore, deploy, learn, inform, and get informated. Come on board to 2024 April Leadership Conference taking place at Rosebud Schools, Akala, Ibadan. I'll be waiting for you. I'm Dr. Bolajo Kowolobi. Check it out for you.